This is Shelton over here at Phillips Chevrolet in Bradley. Just want to do a quick video showing you how to control your heater and AC controls here in this 2025 Chevy Blazer. So right click, start this up, and come over here. All your controls are right here. So you got your fan controls here, defrost, your rear defrost. Temperature control is actually these. You can control each side with these two knobs right here for your temp. Or if you sync it, which is right here, you turn around, this side here will control both sides. Now here's a cool feature. Once you get a temperature that you want to be at, this auto right here, you press that, whether it's cold outside or hot outside, you press that, it will maintain that temperature. Once it gets there, it'll either warm it up or cool it down accordingly and maintain that temperature perfectly. So you have your other adjustments here. With the auto on, you can do certain things, but look, it takes it out of auto. So you do the auto and it chooses which way it needs to go. So if you have any questions on that, give me a call at 815-933-2251, extension 789. Be honored to help you out, show you, and hopefully also help you get into a new vehicle if you're looking for some. But if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Once again, that's 815-933-2251, extension 789. My name is Shelton.